It's not uncommon for us as we move throughout our days to be triggered by different events that happen in our life. We may be triggered by something that someone says. We may be triggered by our partner, our children, our friends. We may be triggered by an event or an experience in life that brings up an emotion, an energy in the body that feels uncomfortable. Now, without doubt, in life, or very seldom in life, are we taught how to process those experiences, those triggers. In fact, quite often, we're not taught anything to do with our emotions from a very young age. In fact, growing up, some of us may have even been guided to suppress or resist our emotions. That's often a go-to for so many people. But here's the thing. For us to truly live an experience or a life where we're no longer governed by these emotional triggers, but instead we can work with them, then it's incredibly important to develop a new way, a new awareness for processing and allowing these experiences to be. So if you move throughout your day and you experience an event which triggers an intense feeling in your body or an intense emotion, rather than riding that emotion, rather than attaching to it, rather than suppressing it or pushing it away, rather than reacting to it, I'm going to invite you just to experience it. Now, what do I mean by experiencing it? I mean bringing your awareness into your body, noticing what you're feeling in your body, but without labeling it, without attaching any meaning to it, simply observing it and taking the seat of witness consciousness, i.e. noticing what you notice about the feeling and the energy in your body. You can begin by noticing where you're feeling that energy. You can begin by noticing what that energy is doing in terms of, is it moving? Is it not? Is it stationary? Is it attempting to move? Simply observing the energy, but without any agenda to change it or any need to get rid of it. Simply allowing it to be. This is what's known in somatic therapy as tracking. So you observe it, you witness it, and then you begin to notice what the energy is doing. You begin to welcome that energy. You let that energy know that you're giving it permission to be in your body. You let that energy know that it's okay. You let that energy know that you're thankful for it being present. And then just continue to observe it. And as you observe it, allowing its presence to be with you, again, continue to notice. This is what's called experiencing. You see, quite often we either suppress emotions or we express them in an unhealthy way when the trigger rushes through us. This is a third option to those two alternatives, and it's called experiencing. It's allowing whatever surfaces in your body and your awareness to simply be. Let me know how you get on. I'm sending you so much love. Thank you. Bye-bye.